I'm an apprentice trained fitter turner, and this is something that I was never shown. It should be common knowledge, and it probably is, but it's not something I've ever been told or that I have ever seen in a book. And it's so blooming obvious and so easy that everybody should know it if they have a lathe. Now, I don't do a lot of accurate turning nowadays, and most of my turning is down to sticking a hole in the end of a shaft or something like that. But this particular shaft that I'm making, I wanted it to be within half a thou over its length, and this is an old crock of a lathe with a very coarse cross slide. So when you're taking your final cuts, you mark the thing up and you figure out you need 1.5 thou off both sides, and you see people trying to coax 1.5 thou, or 3/4 of a thou actually, on the index there. But there is a much easier way. Lock the cross slide if you can, and do your adjustments on the index slide with it slightly angled. Now at 5 3/4 degrees, roughly 6 degrees, every 10th thou that you turn the index slide will take your tool 1 thou in. Very accurate. Now you can do the trigonometry and use the indexes if you want to, or you can stick a DTI in the tool post, and that chap will tell you how far you're moving your tool in. Now I hope this little tip helps someone. It would have helped me a lot years ago when I was a lad, but there we are, we live and learn. I would appreciate the odd subscriber. Thank you.